Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I found on my latest thrift haul. It was pretty cool. I found some really good pieces. When I went in the thrift store, I had this really nice, vision, and I was so lucky. I found like the dopest things this time. Like my mindset and vibe was so good. I got there and I found everything that I wanted, and I'm here to show it. So the first step is this really cute bag. As you can see, looks like this, and it is so fun. It was only $4, and the only thing though is that it has a little bit of like cracking to it, but it's really nice. I'm usually inclined to purchasing more designer bags. However, I really wanted like a cute patent satchel top handle bag, and I can't wait to take photos with it. I just ended up super gluing it and putting like a binder clip to basically just fix it, and it was only $4, so it was a really good deal. So the next item that I found was this really cool belt. It reminds me of a Chanel belt, one of those vintage belts, and I'm really into gold. I like gold jewelry more than silver. I do have this one ring that's really pretty, but other than that, I'm a gold girl, and I've been wanting a Chanel style belt, but I can't really like afford to buy a belt that's just kind of like trendy for now, I feel. But this one was really good. It was just $3, as you can see. And yeah, it was so cool. I can just put it onto the side, over jeans with it, and the whole other side would just basically dangle down. Such a steal. Okay, the next item. So I found this big white men's dress shirt. This is it's a large actually. It was $7, and it was pretty good condition. Like, it was clean, nothing was on it, and it was the perfect length where it wasn't like wide enough for me because I am like a size 2 or a size 4, and it's long enough to cover my butt, and it looks like a good mini dress for me. So this was a good steal. I'll definitely make a video on transforming this piece into much more fitted, kind of cinch it in on the sides and just sew the sides to make it more fitting and more feminine basically. So yeah, this is kind of the look I was going for. And I want to look like that, like a model wearing like black booties with it. I think it would look so absolutely stunning. Okay, now we're moving on to another vision in my mind, and this one is a corset. Now I got this one, it's new, it still has its tag, and this one was $4, and it is a medium. Now I know it looks kind of like what the fuck, but trust me, it will look really nice. I will definitely remove the lace and these crystals on it. I don't know. You guys see that? I'm not into that, but I am into the corset at the back. Like, I love that. It's actually like a corset. And it's not, worn. I'll remove the frills. I just basically want it to be satin. Like, I love the base. It's like the perfect base. And I want the cut. It's like a sweetheart cut. So it'll definitely look nice. Especially after removing the extra decals. It's going to be very minimalistic, but also very feminine and kind of like femme fatale. Is that what you call it? Femme fatale? I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, so this is my visionary. I want to look like that. It's going to be looking super cute, and I'm excited. Okay, now for the final piece, the one I'm so excited about. I did not expect seeing it. It was actually the last thing I saw in the thrift store, a Marc Jacobs bag. And I was like, what the fuck? First of all, how could that be a what? So I looked at it, I was like, maybe someone like left it there. From my understanding, this was the little Yukita bag by Marc Jacobs. And so it's basically a satchel, top handle satchel, and it has like a nice crossbody strap, and this was $4. Now I don't really intend on keeping this. I plan on cleaning it, fixing up some stuff, and reselling it, just because I'm trying to get rid of bags that I'm really not in love with, but I thought, I could, maybe make up the money I spent on the clothes by selling this bag. But basically it was only $10. I was like, what the fuck? Like, I looked at the price, it said $10 there. Then I opened it up and it had another price tag here. There's two, see that? It also says $10. And I know it is real because I have had a Marc Jacobs bag before. Also, sorry, Marc by Marc Jacobs, and it was one of those little crossbody quilted purses that are Chanel inspired. However, I wanted to get a Chanel, so I just saw that one because I don't need two black quilted bags, right? But basically, yeah, like, it's fine. I would say the condition's like 4.5 or 5 out of 10 right now, but when I clean it might be like a 5.5. I'm obviously not going to sell it for a ridiculous price, but I can definitely make money off of selling it more than $10 for sure. And yeah, and if I might decide to keep it later on, but for now my intent is on selling it. And I just can't believe I found a Marc Jacobs back there. Like, guys, that's insane. That's insane. So make sure to go visit your local thrift shops and find some designer duds. I've seen Coach and Michael Kors before, but look, it's always fakes as well. But this time I got really lucky and I found a real one. And you can really tell it's the real one by the leather, the hardware. Like, it's not even like tarnished, really. It's just, it's kind of like painted with gold. And I've seen them before, so I know what they look like. I've had one before and I know how it feels, and it is definitely the same. The hardware, the weight, like, it's legit, you guys. So yeah, that is my thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Make sure to follow my Instagram at ACVTINA. And subscribe to my channel if you guys want some styling videos, hauls, and stuff like that. Till next time, bye!